friends, today's question for the Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification is which of the following data types cannot be continuous in the Tableau? So in Tableau we have these data types: text, string, date values, date and time, numerical, boolean values which returns true or false, and then geographical, image, and cluster groups. So let's see the options and see which of these options cannot be continuous in Tableau. So if you go to the Tableau workbook, here we have the sample data source. So if you drag and drop the string field, this string field is a discrete field. So the discrete fields in Tableau are represented in the blue color, and the continuous fields are represented in the green color. Okay, so here is a discrete of the date field. If you right click and then choose the option, here you have the option to convert it as a continuous. So the date fields can be continuous. Our question is which of the following data types cannot be continuous? So which means date field can be continuous. So this is the wrong answer. Next, string. So if you right click here and see, there is no option to convert it as a continuous, or strings cannot be continuous. So that is correct. And then if you see the Boolean calculation, so here we don't have any Boolean calculation, so let's write one Boolean calculation. Okay, create calculated field, let's say the calculation name as Boolean, and if is null order date. Okay, this function returns either true or false if order date is checks if the order date is null or not. Okay, let me click OK. So you can see here the symbol true or false, which means this is the Boolean calculation. Okay, if we drag and drop onto the rows and right click, there is no option to convert it as a continuous because this is the Boolean type. So we can say that the string and Boolean data types cannot be continuous in Tableau.